Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to remove participants from Google Meet. If you've ever been in a Google Meet where someone just won't stop making noise, or maybe they're in the meeting by mistake, then I'm going to show you how to remove anyone from your Google Meet in just a few clicks. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in meet.google.com in the URL box and search. Soon after you do that, you need to log in with your Google account's credentials if you haven't already, and once you end up in this page, go ahead and join into a meeting or start a new meeting. I'm already in a meeting right now. Once you are in the meeting, if you want to remove someone or if you want to remove a participant from the meeting, go ahead and click on the two human icon, which is also known as the People tab, from the bottom right corner inside a meeting. Now this will open up the participants section. Under in the meeting, go ahead and select one of the participants you'd like to remove from the meeting. Click the three dots right next to the participant, and then in the pop-up, click on remove from the call. Now answer some of the questions. You can also block the person from the call if you don't want them back again. If you want to fill out an abuse report, you can also check this first box. After you do that, click on remove. Or if you just want to remove the person from the call since they've been added in the call by mistake, click on remove without checking on any of these boxes. Now soon after you do that, the chosen participant or their contact will be removed from the meeting. And that's it. Next time someone tries to crash your meeting, you'll know exactly how to send them out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Meet tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.